From Usenet to 21st century social networks. Usenet, the earliest online social networks, appeared almost as soon as the technology could support them. Email and chat programs debuted in early 1970s, but persistent communities did not surface until the creation of Usenet in 1979. Usenet began as a messaging system between Duke University and the University of North Carolina, but it rapidly expanded to other American universities and government agencies. Usenet allowed users to post and receive messages within subject areas called newsgroup. Initially, there was no standard convention for the naming of newsgroup. This led to confusion as the number of newsgroups grew throughout the 1980s. In the 1987, Usenet groups were reorganized into broad hierarchies such as news, talk, music, for miscellaneous, and alt for alternative. The last was created for newsgroup that dealt with taboo or niche topics, and it was the most populous category on Usenet. Usenet and other discussion forums, such as privately hosted bulletin broadcast systems (BBC), enabled individuals to interact in an online social network. But each was essentially a closed system. With the release in 1993 of the Mosaic web browser, those systems were joined with an easy to use graphical interface. The architecture of the World Wide Web made it possible to navigate from one site to another with a click, and other faster internet connections allowed for more multimedia content than could be found in the text heavy news groups. The first companies to create social networks based on web technology were classmates.com and 6degrees.com. Classmates.com, founded in 1995, used a aggressive pop-up advertising campaign to draw web surfers to its site. It based its social network on the existing connection between members of high school and college graduating classes, armed service branches, and workplace. 6degrees.com was the first true social networking site. It was launched in 1997 with most of the features that would come to characterize such sites. Means members could create profiles for themselves, maintain lists of friends, and contact one another through the site's private messaging system.